Here is how I would make an online instructional video on teaching a math skill if I were you. I would use my Gmail or use maybe my parents' Gmail. Log in as them or you, come up to the top and click this little 9 square logo. Then you can click on Google Plus. From Google Plus, you can click on, put your mouse on Home and then Hangouts. Home and then Hangouts. From there, you click on Hangouts on Air and then create a Hangout on Air. You have to give it a name, so adding decimals, they'll say. And then click Share. It might block me because I'm actually making a Hangout, teaching you how to make a Hangout. Neat. It's letting me so far, so I'm going to click Start. So I guess you can do 2 at once. Okay, so from there, it wants you to invite people. Don't do that. Click Skip. Haha, there I am. You want to share your screen and you want to pick a program that you want to share. I don't have it open, so let me actually open that now. Come to the bottom and click on the Start menu and type in Paint. And you can click on Paint. Okay, so you want to share your Paint program. Go back to Screen Share and click on Paint. Start Screen Share. So you are showing the Paint program. You are doing stuff on the Paint program and you're going to talk over it. To begin your screen share, to begin your broadcast, you need to press the Start Broadcast button. My tip to you is wait for the second beep and let's see if it'll do it. Start broadcast, okay. All right. See how it beeped twice? So as soon as you hear the second beep, you can start your math lesson. Today we're going to learn about adding decimals. I'm going to show you a math problem where we add decimals and you're going to help me through it. First problem is 4 and 967 thousandths. And make sure you use clear language in your video, plus 2. Be clear with your decimal points if you're using decimals. 2 and 91 thousandths. And notice how we're lining up our columns so we can keep the place value the same and not get that confused. You'll do an instructional video, and if you make a mistake like I just did, own up to it, say oops, click undo, talk about mistakes that kids would make on a test for that skill. You can, I encourage you to practice first before you start recording. Have your math problems already written out on a piece of paper before you begin. Learn the shortcuts, like this one here. If you want to clear your board, select, then right, oopsie daisy, practice, practice, practice. Select, right click, and cut. And then you just cleared the whole board. But yeah, you can use Paint, and then when you're done, you come back to your broadcast and you just click Stop Broadcast. Then X out of your broadcast, and right here is where your video will be. I always press play to preview it. Start your math lesson. Today, pause. Now watch this. Hold on. Today we're going to learn about adding decimals. There's a button here, and I might be crazy, where you can give me the link. Show you a math problem where we add decimals, and you're going to help me through it. You have to click on the YouTube logo. Watch. I have to move my mouse just so. There it is. Click on that YouTube logo from this preview screen, and it opens up your video right here in YouTube. You can change the settings to make this private if you want. You can do lots of things from there, but the one thing I do want you to do is give me the link to start your math lesson. So once you've made a video that you're proud of and you want to turn in, you can come down here to share and then just borrow this link. Copy and then paste it into your assignment to turn it in. So if you choose to make an instructional video teaching a skill, a math skill, you could use Google Hangouts to do that. Let me know if you have any problems with that, and I can walk you through it. Good luck.